Hey guys, it is the 4th of December, and I think we should try this one. Little bell, 35mm, I think. Might just be 30. The shackle is not brass, it's just a little rusty, but yeah, and I don't have keys. I think I've picked 2 bell locks so far. Quite a fun pick. And then I have one, I think, in my naughty bucket that I just can't get open. So yeah. But let's see if we can get this one. I actually think I found this in a house, but it's not. I'm not entirely sure, but I think I did. I have to bend back my short hook from Dainty Fields here again, because it's not looking good. I think my prediction is that my Dainty Fields short hook, which is probably the last short hook I have, I think, is gonna break within the Christmas series, and then I will have to see if I have another. I don't think I have any more. That's not good, but we'll work with what we got. I believe these have 4 pins, by the way. I don't remember if they have any special pins. I think it's just standard pins. I think I need something a little deeper. There we go. Pin 3. Sorry about that. So it's ready to go for the tree, but let's just see. I don't think we can rake and zip this one, but I might think we can rock this one open. There might be a chance. Should have kept it in the vise though. Ooh, I felt something set there. Yeah, there we go. But just to make sure, let's try and zip and rake it. Yeah. It didn't feel like I got anywhere. Where is it? Just used it. Where is it? Here we go. Half diamond for zipping. Maybe it works. Yeah. Okay. So we could zip it. Raking maybe, but just with a quick little session, no. Alright, let's get this on the tree. By the way, I think these are looking relatively good. I like the rounded end, or sides, I mean. Especially on the bigger ones. Alright. Get it on the tree. We put that one there last time, so just to equal it out, let's put that one over there. Although the size doesn't fit, but that's okay. Haha. 20 more days till Christmas. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video for today. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.